Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin here. You might be wondering why am I wearing sleeveless shirt because it's super hot. I filmed this during CNY period. It's almost hotter than my girlfriend. Okay, she didn't hear it. Okay, good. You will notice that I'm different to others YouTubers because I don't usually do makeup because I just like to present the real myself in front of you guys. But if you check out my Instagram, you can see all the fake pictures. You know, that's not really me, that's my doppel. You can check it here. This is my Instagram account. Please do follow because I will keep update content there. So today I'm going to unbox a board game. So you can see in front of me, I already set up this board game. So this board game is Fireball Island. Now this board game is a remake from the 80s, 1986 classic game. You can see from the back. So I'm impressed that this board game can survive until that long. I mean, still can attract people to buy this board game, especially guys like me, old guy. I have to admit that I'm the old guy that plays board game instead of mobile game. He is lying. Recommended age for this board game is 7 and above, which is already passed by the kids gate. 7 and above is primary school. Still kids. Players, you can play from 2 players up to 4 players. Playtime is 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Super great for time burning. When you are super bored, you can play this board game with your friends or your family. A basic introduction of this game. This is what I know. 4 members, they are surviving in this Volca Island. By the way, this is called a Volca Island. You guys need to collect treasures. You guys need to survive the Ember attack. I will show you guys later the Ember attack. Collect treasures, collect the emerald, which is the heart of Volca. Excuse me. So the basic setup is like this. You can see the coconut tree, you can see the Volca head, and also the emerald and the treasure. That you need to put all the treasure first. The treasures is super limited. Please don't lose any one of them because I have no idea how you are going to replace them. You can see there are many cards here. These are the characters card and also basic instruction, and also to show you how to gain points. Besides that is the action cards. Action cards is for you to move spaces. For example, like this card, if you move 12 space, then you can't grab any treasures. A little bit different from the previous one, which is like when you move 8 spaces, then you can launch the Ember attack. The Ember attack. Now the Ember attack is to slap the fireball, the orange fireball, to slap your opponent, your friends. Once your friends being hit by you, then you can steal 1 treasure from them. Now keep in mind that after you steal the treasure from them, you have to give them one of the souvenir cards. It's like, I'm so sorry I steal your stuff. I will give you a consolation so-called item for you to calm yourself down, don't kill yourself, blah 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 blah. What the hell am I talking about? Besides that, there's also the Cataclysm Cards. Now you can launch the red fireball. On the bottom of the card, you can see the hand gesture movement. It's like you're rotating some stuff. When you play this card, this is only just 1 hand gesture, right? So this one, you can only just move once. You can move the coconut tree or you can move the head of Volca. It's up to you, but you only can move once. This one is the photos card, which they call it snapshots card. It's for you to gain points. Each snapshots card can give you 5 points. First one to collect these 3 different colors is like 1, 2, 3. Then they may proceed to the helicopter. Proceed to helicopters means you guys already at the end game stage. This helicopter, but Ember Cope. Yes. Now this is the souvenir card. As I mentioned before, that if you steal 1 items from your friend or your opponent, then you have to give them 1 of this. These basically are the special move card. It's like to prevent someone to steal your treasure. You can just play the tote bag. Now this tote bag is for you to keep your treasure from those who are trying to steal treasure from you. You can also play this when you knock over one of the players, then they will have to give you extra treasures. These unstable spaces. So when you play this card, you can just keep going to move around within the unstable spaces. Unstable spaces mean the ladder, this bridge. When you reach there, then you have to stop any remaining moves. So when you play the VIP pass card or the jetpack, so this card will allow you to just keep going, to keep moving. Doesn't matter when you reaching the unstable spaces or whatsoever, so you can just move instead of stopping by. Now you see this die. Yes, in this board game they call this die instead of dice. So this die is for you to move across caves. On the map you will see some numbers. Those numbers represent the cave number. This Heart of Volca, you can just steal by launching an amber attack, hit your friend. You have to cross over them, cross over your friends, cross over your opponents. Only you can steal the Heart of Volca. So there's two ways to end the game. It's either you collect 3 different colors of the snapshots cards, or the Cataclysm board here fulfill with 3 red fireballs. Then in the next round, you guys may end the game. The person with the higher score is the winner, but don't forget that this I don't know, what should I call this? Let me check. The mouse treasure holder. When you launch an amber attack and you hit yourself, then you have to throw one of the treasure to this mouse treasure holder. The person who ends first will get a chance to take the penny here, so you gain extra 6 points. Basically, that's how you end the game. Before I end the video, special shout out to Meeples Cafe for sponsoring me this amazing board game. Comment down below if you already played this board game and tell me what's your opinion and also your compliment, or you want to complain about this board game, you can comment down below. Or let's say if you're interested to buy this board game, you can visit the link down in my description below. You can surf around to see other board games as well. Because Meeples Cafe, they have tons of board games for you to choose. It's like a heaven there. It's Urgent Check, let's queue here. Peace out. I will see you guys in the next one.